everyone, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogtober. Today is day 15. I just got home from work. I got off at 3 today, which is great. And I've just been making some TikToks when I came back home because my TikTok about me switching away from the Z Flip and getting this phone went viral on TikTok for some reason. And the comments are being so mean and crazy. So I've been making TikToks this morning, responding to comments, and this is what it feels like to be a TikToker. I don't think I like it. Like, I feel like once you go viral on TikTok, there gets to a point where like you just don't need to check the comments anymore because the comments are absolutely insane, like way crazier than YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to edit my Samsung S24 Ultra video today, but I just put some leftover pizza in the oven to reheat it. So I'm going to eat some pizza for like a early dinner because it's already 4:30. And then I'm going to edit my vlog that's gonna go tomorrow. And also I have 2 Etsy orders that I need to crochet. I put my crochet doll up for sale. She has not sold yet. I do know with the price that she's at, it's probably going to take a lot longer for her to sell. I hope she does sell though. I don't want to lower the price on her, but I also don't want her to just sit in my house and collect dust. So I'm hoping within the next couple of days she sells because I really worked so hard on her. Like, I'll be so sad if she doesn't sell. It's 10 p.m. I just woke up. No, oh my God. I do this so often where I just like lay on the couch for a little bit and then I end up taking like a 5-hour nap, which I forgot to take my thyroid medication this morning, so that explains why I'm like as tired as I am. But I woke up to an amazing notification that my crochet doll sold. It sold within 1 day. 1 day. I literally was like so excited. Like, as Etsy was loading, I was like, please be the doll, please be the doll. Like, and it was the doll. And I'm not gonna say who bought it or who they bought it for because somebody bought it as a gift for somebody else in their life, which I think is so freaking sweet. Like, I love when people use my Etsy products as gifts for other people because, like, you know that the thought is really there of the gift, and I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna be working on a bunch of Etsy orders in this video. I also think I'm gonna cut my hair in this video. It's really greasy and dirty right now, but my hair has, like, every single time I wash it, it's pretty much fried. And I started using a new shampoo conditioner and I feel like that shampoo is making my hair fall out, so I need to buy a different one. Yeah, I don't know. I need to cut a couple inches off my hair so it can like refresh because I do like having long hair. I mean, this is the longest my hair has been in, I don't even know how long, it's been years. I need to cut it like back close to my shoulders right here to kind of refreshen it up and then let it regrow again. As much as I don't want to do it, my hair is just pretty fried. And also I did a wolf cut on myself, so the bottoms of my hair is really thin anyway. So I just don't feel like I'll really be losing that much cutting off that length. I was gonna do that tonight, but I fell asleep, so now I need to edit. But yeah. To whoever bought my doll, you know who you are. I'm so excited to package it up for you so you can give it as a gift, and I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so glad she sold. Good morning, everyone. It is the next morning. It is the 16th, and I'm about to cut my hair. I just woke up, but I go to work at 1 today, so I wanted to get all of this done before I have to go to work. So my hair is pretty decently long. I mean, to some people this might not be long, but for me this is very long. But as you can see, it's just like, it's really fried, honestly. I'm gonna probably cut like this much off of it just so I can cut off all the dead stuff and just kind of like start over. And my hair grows really quickly, so I'm not too concerned. Honestly, in the next like 2 or 3 months, my hair is probably gonna grow back to the same length that it is at now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm going to part my hair into little sections. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I am not a professional by any means. I just like doing my hair myself. I trust myself. If it messes up, then I have no one to blame but myself. I will miss being able to like put it up into a ponytail, but it's fine. It's fine. And I think after I cut it, I'm going to dye it because these 2 shades by Arctic Fox, this is Wrath and this is Purple AF, In my opinion, these are the best 2 shades to put on dark hair because my hair will still look brown, but it'll have a tint of red and purple, which is what I want. Because I do like having brown hair, but I just want a little touch of something different. Okay, so I parted my hair into a little section, and then I am just going to cut, I'm gonna use this as a guide to the rest of my hair. So I'm literally gonna cut like, I'll go a little bit longer than my shoulders. It's kind of hard for me to cut my hair as much as I used to because it's a little awkward. It's a lot of hair. Okay, it's really uneven, but we'll fix that. Okay, it's not completely even, but you get the idea. So I'm just gonna keep pulling strands down and cutting to match up the first guideline. And then I will do my layers afterwards. Okay, I'm already like liking it so much more. I'm already enjoying it so much more. I mean, it's not completely even yet, but like I already have like so much more volume in my hair. So loving. Okay, so now I'm going to do what I do to kind of get like wolf cut layers. So I'll show you guys what I do. I just follow random YouTube tutorials that I find, but I part my hair from here. So I just part the front of my hair and then the back of my hair. And since my hair is short now, it's probably not going to go up that much, but I brush my hair to the top of my head. So if some falls out, that means that those layers are just meant to be down there. I mean, already like brushing through my hair, it feels so much better. Like, I'm so glad I made this decision. And then these front pieces, I brush these forward and up like this. And then I tie this to the front of my head like this. So this is what my hair looks like. And then I start cutting. So I just cut a couple of inches, and this is what creates layers because your hair is all being pulled into this one ponytail. So you're going to have a bunch of different layers in the front of your head. And this kind of gives a wolf cut effect. It looks better when you have longer hair to do this haircut because you get like the layers of the wolf cut or whatever. But this is what I've been doing for probably 2 years now. And I also am just like point cutting. I have hair all over me, I feel so itchy. I'm just point cutting to get rid of like that bluntness. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to take off some length and do some point cutting. And I'm also gonna cut my bangs too the way that I want. It's even at the bottom. It's lighter. I already have so much more volume in my hair, and my hair is super dirty right now, so I really like it. Ah! It's so cute. I haven't had short hair like this in a while. So I'm just gonna fix up little bits that are sticking out, and then we're gonna dye my hair. Well, it's later in the night. I never even showed my hair after I got ready this morning because I was running late to work. And then when I got home, it was dark outside. I'm gonna have to show it tomorrow. Like, I am gonna cut a little bit more tonight, like more layers into it because it was still just not feeling exactly how I wanted it. So I'm gonna add more layers in it before I go to bed. But I, like once a month, I'll order myself crumble cookies because they're just way too expensive to buy like all the time. but I wanted to do a little taste test because I've done this before and you guys seem to enjoy it. I love crumble cookie because their cookies literally last me for like a week because of how big they are. And honestly, I just love cookies. So first of all, we just have like the basic chocolate chip. Not gonna worry too much about that one because I already know what that tastes like. Then I got blueberry muffin, I think. Yeah, this smells like blueberry muffins. This tastes just like a blueberry muffin, like exactly. This one is like a peanut butter cookie with Butterfinger or something like that. I'm too lazy to pick up my phone and see the name of it. This is good, but it would honestly taste better without the Butterfingers on them. And then lastly, instead of a cookie, I got a brownie. I'm already like having a sugar high and I've taken 3 bites of a cookie. Oh my God. That is so much chocolate. I cannot eat anymore, but these are yummy. All right, it's the end of the day on the 17th. I don't think I updated at all today. I just went to work, came home, took a nap. Anyways, took a nap, watched the One Direction movie because I'm grieving. I'm very hard right now. If you guys have been watching me since my like early preteen days, then you know how big of a One Direction fan I was. I was unhealthily obsessed with One Direction, so your girl is going through it right now. I am literally so upset. I'm so sad. I did not think that I would be living in a timeline where any member of One Direction died and I'm not like 60 or 70. So I'm sad. I'm really sad, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, I'm about to pack an Etsy order. I sold Miss Meadow, as I told you guys. So I just got everything prepared to pack her up and I'm going to pack her with you guys. I cleaned her up, I lint rolled her the best that I could. I do have a lot of animals, so there's probably a stray hair here and there, but sorry. So let's go ahead and pack her. I'll show you all the things that I made. Okay, so it's like midnight right now, so that explains the lighting. I do apologize for that. But I have the doll up here. I have the hat packed with some tissue paper on the inside to keep its shape during shipping. And then I have a lot of other things that are gonna go in it. So first I have her birth certificate that I printed off of cardstock. So her name is Meadow Hendricks. I made her date of birth, her place of birth, I put my name, and then the new owner will write their name right there. I have her custom story that I wrote. It's a 1-page story about her. I have the gift receipt for the person who bought it as a gift, and then I have 2 sheets of Halloween stickers because I want it to be put inside of the envelope like this. So I'm gonna be putting it in this. And then I have a bunch of Halloween stickers right here. I'm gonna take my phone out and start filming a TikTok. Oh my God, I can't stop sneezing. Okay, I put everything in this little envelope and it says open me, and it's hard so it's not gonna bend. And I'm gonna put that inside of this bag with the stickers. All right, now I've got my box. I did have to order more custom boxes that were the size for her because she is about 15 to 16 inches tall, and my other boxes that I bought were only for 11-inch dolls. So I did have to order some more custom boxes for my bigger dolls, and she is going to sit perfectly inside of here. Wah! Okay, she's packed up in here, and I actually love that she just sits in here perfectly. All right, she's all packed up. I'm going to put her inside of a fall-themed poly mailer, and then she's gonna be shipped off. Hello everyone, it is now day 18, and I just got home from work, and I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I still have my old One Direction tour shirt from 2014. This is the only concert I ever went to because, I mean, my parents honestly probably spent a fortune on these tickets, which I'm very thankful for. So I still have it. It's very faded and there's holes in the back of the shirt, but I wore it today in tribute. And then I have this like blue, really warm flannel because it's cold outside now. Then I have jeans and white Converse on, which are very like, I would have worn this outfit when I was like 14 or 15. Like this is very Tumblr era for me. So I felt very like, I don't know. I felt like a teenager again kind of in this outfit, but I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. So I'll update you guys when I do, I don't know.